Yeah, we certified hood, yeah, we certified hood stars. We get money all day, we do it our way. We wanna just say hood stars. Yeah, we hood stars. Yeah, we certified hood stars enforcing the mills. And when they see my jewels, it's like Jacobs endorsing the deals. We got the coop full of krills, we shoot more than Shaquille. This ain't Buffalo, but my hood stay with the Bills. I'm with a dime from Brazil, them chicks I'm raising they hormones. The feds mad, we move more weight than Star Jones. We stash in condos, get sprayed with combos. My arm froze, yellow diamonds dipped in large stones. Got paying car loans, we ballin' out. You need work, tell my cousin bring the kilos out. Got head crack, be my CeeLo count. The fiends gon' bounce, my crew cooking harder than Nino Brown. We tryna read more towns, yeah, we flipping them birds, man. So it's only right that I'm cool with the bird gang. The street to the kid, yeah, my name rings bells. I'm just a hood star, mixtapes to TRL. Certified hood stars, we getting money all day. Gon' do it our way. Wanna just say we hood stars, yeah, we hood stars, yeah, we certified hood stars. We getting money all day. Gon' do it our way. Wanna just say we hood stars, yeah, we hood stars, yeah.
Jacob Jabbers to see his car. It ain't gotta be nighttime to see a star. To watch the Audemars. The Breitling is what I usually wear. It ain't usual and this ain't your usual pair.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's raining today. I was gonna sleep in, but I have a job that I gotta do. I do one of their other locations. I gotta do it. Rain, sleet, snow, or shine. You gotta love accounts like that don't care. They just want the windows done. Of course, if it's a blizzard out and if the rain is coming down in buckets, obviously I would look like a fool out there. But they do have a big ass overhang. But today on M.A.W. Mondays, I have another tip. I've shown this about maybe 3 years back, but if I don't show any product reviews or any mods on Wagtail Wednesday or M.A.W. Mondays, I am going to release each one of my previous videos of techniques, tips, and stuff that you guys could, watch and get some meaning from. Because I can't just repeat the stuff over again, because I've already done it, but I can repost the video on those days alone. So if you weren't interested or not interested in my tips or techniques, you can just not watch on Mondays or Wednesdays, unless of course you see something in the title that strikes your fancy. Then yeah, I got good feedback on my French paid technique on Facebook. A couple other guys said they appreciated it because they have a job to do tomorrow, as a matter of fact, with some French pains. A couple guys said. So I'm gonna later on today come back to the channel after I get finished running over the blue to clean some windows and look at 8 ways to clean a French pane. I will upload that video later, and I will also upload a unique technique video for those who are poor at closing out on very deep ledges. That's going to be for Wagtail Wednesday. I'm going to try to remember to do it. Sometimes I got to catch myself, man. Like, my memory isn't like it used to be, which is probably why I upload videos sporadically at multiple times, because I gotta say what's on my mind fresh or it'll be lost. Sometimes. But come back and enjoy the channel for 8 ways to clean a French pain. Mac-a-frack-a-lack, peace, peace, peace.